Hi Shahrukh, Prerna here from Rajshri. Here.
Hi, Prerna. Where are you?
Here.
Okay, sorry.
Shahrukh, Abram is looking adorable in the movie. So I would just like to ask कि आपको सबसे best compliment कौन सा मिला है Abram के लिए?
Deepika said she wants to work with him in the next film. So I think that's the nicest compliment. She felt he's taller than me, so.
Hi Shahrukh, here, Pratik here. So this is basically regarding the social media and impact of social media in promoting this game. And what do you think that medias like Facebook, Twitter, as they have billions, you yourself, your fan page has millions and millions of fans. So do you think this social media will be a new tool to actually promote movies as well as games, and it's actually increasing? Your take on that?
I think the game 100% because it is on that kind of platform. It's on telephones, and I'm sure you can play it on the iPad, and it's more net related. So yes, but for a movie, I don't think so. It makes difference to a business really. It's nice for information. It's nice to get an instant feedback. But as far as India is concerned specifically, I don't think the social media's reach is as much as we would like it to be. But in the coming years, as social media and otherwise also just the net, the web being able to be accessed all around the country. See, we have movies not just releasing in Mumbai and Delhi. Movies are released deep inside the interiors of this country where still there's a huge gap in terms of being able to access things on the net because it's not available or it's very slow or the telephone systems have not upgraded to that level as yet. So it will happen, the feedback and marketing the film or making people aware of your product, but not at this point in time, it's not the best, at least in India. Internationally, yes. It really helps. Social media and the net helps in marketing your film, talking about the game that we're launching because also I think the audience right now on the net is a little more bent towards things like video games and maybe movies which are kind of a little more according to their kind of liking. But overall, I think, yeah, there's still another 3, 4, 5 years to go before the net can reach everywhere. I can't make out what you're saying, sorry.
उनका mic ले लिया.
Yeah, because after Pratik, the mic was supposed to be going
Keep
that
two
side.
mics.
Just give it to Pratik, please.
Just to tell you, sir, we three are the MBA grads, and we did the social media marketing. And what we see was the reach was there in Albania, in Brazil, the clicks were there, and the game is actually reaching parts and parcel of the due to social media. So
yeah, it will. It will. Like I said, internationally, yes, it makes a difference, and most certainly in terms of a game which can be downloaded through the net, I think it's going to make a huge effect. I mean, I think that's the biggest marketing for us right now for the game.
Okay, मेरा सवाल है.
Sorry, I'll just add one thing to, I think, see, it's not about either or, like one medium versus the other. For a film of this scale and size and to reach as much, there's been, even in what you would term as digital, there's been tremendous amount of innovation done by the Red Chillies marketing team, and we worked, with them. For example, the first time when you could call for a trailer by dialing a number, which is something, so, because mobile voice can reach everybody, a text can reach everybody, but perhaps mobile internet is only 200 million people. So, you don't, for one or the other, you don't let go of everything else. You kind of balance it, and that's really what we've tried to do.
Okay, hi here, everyone is here, Salma here from Zoom. Congratulations everyone. आप सब ऐसे क्यों खुशी का मौका है, it's 100 crore plus film, तो like आप सब खुश हैं because इस वक्त सबके चेहरे पे अजीब सा happiness. Yes, because Farah, you be careful. Okay.
हम humility और अच्छाई दिखा रहे हैं कि ये तो होता ही रहता है हर रोज. We are so used to this kind of.
Shahrukh told us be humble, be modest, so we are sitting.
Okay.